I'm not wasting time in this video because I will go straight to the point. So the problem is you are trying to create a Google account or a Gmail account, but you're stuck at the screen that says verify phone number. Sometimes it goes on a round loop that never ends. This is what to do.
You're welcome to Design Slider Tech.
Slide down from the top of your phone to open the quick menu tray. Turn off device location. Return the tray to close it. Then open phone settings, go to Google, all services, location accuracy, and remember, we already turned off device location. Toggle off improve location accuracy. Go back and go to phone number verification. Toggle off automatic verify phone numbers. Confirm your phone security and it is turned off. Go back and close phone settings. Then open YouTube app, go to your U profile, switch accounts, tap on the plus button, confirm your phone security, then create account and select for my personal use. Input your details. For Google's privacy and terms, click I agree. For storage option, choose the option that is not using phone number and your Gmail account is created without phone number verification. You may want to see another method in my video on how to create Gmail account with no phone number. Remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one.